it's me, and today we are going to play. Wait a minute, I forgot. Rainforest Tower. Sorry, I forgot. So let's start. Climbing up. I'm gonna do the relax first, and then I will do the other ones. Wait, where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Here? Nope. Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh, you go there. Wait, do you go here? Wait, no, don't go here. Wait, where do I go? No. Wait, oh, you're supposed to climb up here. There we go. Jump, jump, jump. And I'm gonna continue on jumping because there's so many jumping spots. Oh. Jump. No! Are you kidding me? I'm mocking Grace. I'm mocking Grace. Oh. Let's go first. Oh my gosh. Run. Wee! That's shocking me. I almost fell. No. This is her job. Jump. No! Oh, phew. Ow. Why is there so many high jumps? I'll wait for the other one. Jump! Oh! Jump! No! Nar. Just nar. Nah. No. I fell to the very bottom. Is there any checkpoint? Is there? Okay, I guess there's no checkpoint. No, okay, you just need to relax. Just need to relax. Oh, just no. Oh Lord. Just scream. No, I'm not gonna go yet. I'm gonna wait. I need to wait. Now I need to go. I fell so many times. How? I will try to get it. I will try to reach the top. I can do it. Just believe in myself. I'm just gonna wait. Oh no, that's a dead end. Jump. And then jump. Why is there so many jumps? Jump. It's the snow. Oh, yes, oh Lord. Yes. Jump. Okay, I need to do this. Jump. I need to do this for y'all. Jump. And then go. And then jump. Oh, there's some grass. Yay, Mom, I already touched grass. Can you come back home? I'm not motherless. I'm not fatherless. I have a mom and I have a dad. And that's all. Jump. Wait, why does it go over there? That's just a dead end. That's weird. Jump. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Stop this now. Jump! I'm literally afraid of jumps. Just kidding. I can do this. Jump! Oh my god. I thought it was gonna fall. I can do this. I can do this! I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this! Oh, wait. Is this a checkpoint? Oh, well. Okay, I know this. I know this kind. Ow. What's that? Oh. Yes, yes, I did it. Over here, down over here, and my camera. I take my almost there. I just don't need to fall. Jump. If I fall, I don't know what's going to happen. Naku, ano pa yun? Tap. 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 Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna speed this up. No, thank you. No, don't push me off. My jumps are so small, like super small. I don't know if it's small. Up. Why are these so wiggly? Why is there so many wiggly blocks? Like they're wonky. Why? I'm gonna have a hard time kind of doing this, but I can do it. Is that a rocket actually? Oh no, it's a crayon. Wait, is it a crayon? Yes! Okay, so I will do the part 2 for tomorrow, and I'll make part 2 tomorrow, but it might be late because I have school again, and also I didn't go to school because I don't know why. My parents told me so for no reason. I was just kidding. Oh. Okay, so bye bye guys. See you next time.